our place is very good.
Wow.
Chanel.
Many
And
raw material.
yeah, we have a brand new car.
Your Mitsubishi given. Yeah, good for the house.
Cheap.
And also the raft.
Rough.
Yeah, for the river.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to the Riles. Bahay Kubo.
What's that?
Hmm? Small bungalow.
House.
Small bungalow. It's Chanel first time here guys, so we are just going somewhere on the trolley. We're gonna ride a trolley and we're going to Pasyal Chanel. What? Smoky? Yeah, that's the province life. We're gonna go to stroll. Oh, stroll. My mom said stroll.
Stroll. This one is
My mom just correct me stroll.
wow.
Yeah, okay.
That was for our first date, right?
Yeah. See, this is a trolley Chanel.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Ta-da. Chanel.
Hmm?
This is how it goes.
Yeah. We went here for our first date, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the very good transportation Chanel. This is for sightseeing.
Look, look.
To remove that.
How can I get something in? Wow.
Huh? Okay.
Interesting.
Yeah. This is the Filipino style. This is the Filipino style Chanel.
Very unique.
Yeah. Go Chanel. You wanna stay here? I'm gonna stay on the front. Chanel, if we have a salubong somewhere bump, we should go down, madali. We should go down and remove the ano. And then the trolley. You like it, madam?
Interesting. Simple like here.
Yeah, oh, see, my mom is pouring you. The Chanel life here is very simple. It's very nice, right? Relaxing. My life before Chanel. So guys, I'm at our province. This is Quezon province, Luzon City. And then I'm touring Chanel on our place, like the places that I've been to. I'm sharing my life here together with her. So everything is her first time. So she was amazed by this. Because you cannot see the trolley, like a trolley in any parts of the place. There's nothing like this in Thailand, only in the Philippines.
I'm gonna talk to it.
Yeah.
Since I'm the animal whisperer. 1, 2, 3. Sarap kain.
Ayan baba. Ayan baba. Ayan, where's your phone? See the one, if they are many, then we need to go down because we are 3. Yeah, this is the Philippine basketball. Basketball barangay, yeah. Wala na. This is the lava, the lake.
Bless you. Thank you. Very simple, very easy. What is that sound?
She forgot the word.
Very peaceful. Very peaceful.
Time to choose a work, I will still work here in my province. But the thing is, I don't have a work here, so I just need to do overseas. This is what you call drills. It's in English, mommy. Drills. Rail. Rail. This is an improvised train. This is a choo-choo train. The one that we are riding on. you go. See the bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot.
Scary.
Oh, blue. Paka basic guys, yun.
Tawagan niyo ako dito.
Go. Walk guys, we are walking towards something. Even if you jump, you will not. See? What's that? Your favorite tilapia. Huh? Oh.
Gina, formerly a Miss Korea, South Korean. Jan Jungkook, Kim Taeyong, Kim yeah, I know.
Kim Tae-soo. Kim Chang-soo.
Are you recording yourself? Are you recording yourself? Good. You recording?
Sir, padagdag pa ng dalawang rice. It's really good, right? Maybe we should do it in the house. It's cucumber with calamansi, but we don't have
Wow.
calamansi in
So
Thailand.
refreshing.
Yeah, right?
So yummy.
Cheers!
Cheers. Chip. That's so
Huh? Wow, with the banana leaf and this one. Sinigang na hipon. Chanel, this is the Philippine mirror.
We also have that.
You also have that?
Yes.
This is the
I think
Philip.
that's the worldwide mirror.
This is the Philippine typical house.
The universal.
See, everything is pink.
This one is better than the Thailand one. The Thailand one is very small.
Yeah, before I was like staying here alone without anyone.
Really?
No one's hugging me. I don't have. I'm very single. I don't have anything. Appliances for my sister. Violin. Oh.
I really like that instrument.
Oh, nice.
Can you play the violin?
Oh, see? I'm very proud of my sister. She can play violin.
I would play the instrument. I would play
So piano,
piano.
under the
Oh, wow. What instruments
what?
are here? I don't know how to play.
There's piano. Guys, it's been so much happening around this solar system. I cannot imagine that there's so many things happening now. I don't know what is the instrument that is my sister is using now. She can play this, mommy.
Oh, that is really nice.
She can play this one, guitar.
That is violin.
Oh, guitar. I don't guitar. Mini guitar for
I
baby.
cannot play instrument, but if I can learn, I will do violin and piano.
Oh, really?
I really like those instruments. But
Guys, you can see we are speaking English here because we are not allowed to speak Tagalog here anymore because Chanel is here. This is a guitar.
violin.
Huh? Violin? Get out! Ano to? What's this?
this one is
Octavina, this one Octavina.
Octavina. There's so many strings.
Is this like a Filipino?
What's this?
Ukulele.
Ukulele. Oh, this is ukulele, Chanel.
So where she play all this? Wow. Musician. She's
Yeah.
a musician.
My sister is so talented, Chanel. Yeah.
Talented, yeah. Wow.
This is my brother's TV also. Yeah. So guys, you can see I have one brother and one sister.
Can you play this, Kevin?
Huh?
Can you play this?
I don't know. It's not my it's not my hobby. It's not my passion. Do you know what's my passion?
Editing.
Huh?
Vlogging.
No. Eating. Eating. Eating food. Sleeping. Kanin.
Omelette na
Oh.
crab. Omelette.
Liempo, sisig, omelette. Oh, my auntie and my uncle. Yummy. Yeah.
Omelette crab.
Oh, omelette crab. Sarap, walang omelette. Here, Chanel. Banana ketchup. Can you say about Chanel, the food? Ano dito? My mommy, my grandma, like 2 years old, my mommy, auntie. Yummy! Hmm?